to another channel. So today we are going to Vada. What are we going to do there? Phone? What phone? Oh. Yeah. So we're going to deliver. I'm not deliver, but we're going to
guys.
Oh, okay.
Nakalimutan ko yung phone ng sa work ko kagabi kasi nag-extra ako sa isang nursing home. Not really nursing home. Sila yung mga pasyente na galing sa hospital na mga nabalian or like, yeah, alam mo yung accident sa car or for example na natumba and nagkaroon ng fracture sa katawan and naoperahan. So sila yung pumupunta doon. Ang tawag dyan is rehabilitating. So, yun, doon ako nag-work kagabi. And, nakalimutan ko guys na ibalik itong phone. Kaya nga, tinawagan ako I think tinawagan nila ako today, hindi ko lang nasagot. And then, tinawagan ako ng Workerlink, yung, alam mo yun, yung company na kung saan ako nagtrabaho as extra. Tapos, hindi ko rin nasagot. Then, nag-lead siya ng voicemail, voice message. Then, doon ka nalaman niya, yun nga. So, yun. So, ibalik ko siya today kasi gagamitin nila yon mayang gabi. Too bad. Pero kasi may bibilin din ako sa use kung if ever gift or sa email ko something. Tingnan ko lang. Okay, Ains, take over. Ito yung pa-outfit natin, guys.
Outfit check! Wait lang. Oh, wow. Outfit check. It's very simple. Oh my god, the dance yesterday was so good. So good. And I took a video at the end, but I'm not gonna show it. But we did learn a new dance move. It was like boom, 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 boom. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. That was so awkward, but it's okay. Oh. So now, So now we are going to drive, and it's kind of raining. Just kind of annoying. I got 2 Mentos both sides of my mouth. But now we're going to drive. Pretty exciting. And I think I'm sick, but it doesn't. But the temperature thing didn't say I'm sick. It says 36. And yeah, I feel so weird with these 2 Mentos. Yeah, so now we're going to drive. You guys, look at this. Isn't this the store, the shop? I thought we were going there. I swear Mama said something with nachos and chicken. Oh, never mind. We're not going to Ella's coffee shop. We're going to this fancy looking...
It's a pub.
It's a pub. And today, doesn't it cost too much, Ma? Do you want me to pay? Oh wait, I forgot my cash. I could have had. I know. Goa.
Yeah.
So, anong drinks mo?
Look how this place looks. It's like very pub. It's very pub. The weather is pretty decent today.
Pwede mo mag-kebab guys. Kasi mabakit yung kebab.
Guys, we got it. Look how good that
I don't have
looks.
it sa Spotify or
Hindi ba kasi bantara?
Maybe sa link pag yung
Paano?
Askep address to
Ito?
this.
Sabi ko lang ano ina.
ah